Got rid of toenail fungus in just one day? Do the same. Start by taking some garlic. It's a natural antibiotic with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Take 2 cloves of garlic and slice them thinly. Then chop them into small pieces. Grab a small bowl and add the chopped garlic. Next, take some ketoconazole ointment. It has strong antifungal properties and effectively eliminates fungi and yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of the ointment into the bowl. Now take some baking soda. Baking soda has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Add 2 tablespoons of it to the bowl as well. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. This combination works on multiple levels thanks to the blend of ingredients. Apply the ready-made paste to your toenails, making sure to cover every infected spot completely. With this powerful remedy, the fungus will be gone in just one day.